Hi there, students. Contentious. Contentious is an adjective. You could have the adverb contentiously and a noun contentiousness or contention as well. And then a verb to contend and even the phrase a bone of contention. Well, okay, contentious means controversial, likely to lead to an argument, likely to cause a quarrel. So euthanasia is a contentious issue, and people on both sides of the argument feel very strongly about it. Governments tend to avoid taking action on contentious issues, on contentious matters, because they're afraid of losing votes. A person who is always arguing about things, who is quarrelsome, can be called contentious. They are fractious or quarrelsome. My aunt is always in angry debate with my parents. She's a contentious person. She can make any subject into a bone of contention. So a bone of contention, a subject in which there is continuing and lasting contentiousness, argument and disagreement. Lockdown and whether it is necessary have been a source of contentiousness. It is a bone of contention. It's something that people argue about. We can also use contentious in legal language to mean that something is argued, it's not agreed, it's a matter of litigation. So litigation is contentious, where the two sides quarrel until a judge makes a decision. Then we also have this verb to contend, which means to contest, to dispute, to fight. A contender is somebody who has a good chance to win a competition. So the competitors are contending, competing for the leadership of the political party. But there are only a few contenders who are likely to win the position, leading people who are very probable winners. Okay, notice as well, to contend can also mean to argue or advocate a point of view. So in a contentious litigation, the lawyers contend different points of view. They argue in favour of them. The status of Gibraltar is a contentious issue. The Spanish contend that it is theirs, but the British contentiously, argumentatively maintain that it belongs to them. It has been a bone of contention between the two countries for many years. So contentious, something that causes argument. Contentiousness, quarrels, fighting. So let's look at the formality of these words. So contentious, I'd probably give a 6.5 in formality. Maybe quarrelsome, argumentative would be a slightly less formal way of saying it. I think the verb to contend, I would give a 6 when it's in a competition, but maybe 6.5 to 7 when it's talking about arguing a point of view. Notice as well, to contend is a regular verb. He contended that this is true. He has contended that this is true. And then a bone of contention, I think maybe 5.5 to 6. This itself is an idiom, a source of argument. And then finally, the origin. Well, in Latin, there is a word contentiousness, meaning quarrelsome. So the origin is quite clear. So contentious, controversial, something that people argue about. To contend, to take part in a competition or to maintain a point of view. A bone of contention, a point that people have argued about for a long time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Contentious, a bone of contention.